Now, you'll be asked to draw the function, for example, 2x plus 3 in the domain minus 2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 2. So you do this by setting up an input-output function. There's your values for x, your inputs, minus 2 to 2. And here's your function, 2x plus 3. And inside, instead of x, I put in my input. So I'm going to get 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3, 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 3, and so on. And there's my output function, my outputs. So these are all points. So minus 2 minus 1 is a coordinate. So minus 2 minus 1, I plot this point here. Minus 2 minus 1. And then I plot minus 1, 1. So minus 1, 1, and I plot this point. And then I plot 0, 3, 0, 3, and I plot that point. And then you plot 1, 5, 1, 5, and then I plot 2, 7, 2, 7. You're going to go all these dots here first. Then you join them with a ruler. I didn't have a ruler on my computer here. You draw it up here. And now you have drawn a function 2x plus 3 in the domain from minus 2 to plus 2. Let's have a look at a quadratic one, see what it looks like. So we're asked to draw the function x squared minus 1 in the domain from minus 2 to plus 2. So I do my minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2. I have x squared minus 1. Be careful with your x squareds when it's a minus number. You do it's a bracket minus 2 to be squared, which is going to give you minus 2 to be squared, which is 4 minus 1. That's equal to 3, and so on. You plot your points. So I've plotted these points here for you already. We see minus 2, 3. So there's minus 2, 3. Then I have minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0. That's that one there. Then I've got 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1. I then have 1, 0, 1, 0. And finally, I have 2, 3. These are my points, 2, 3. To plot a quadratic, you need to make sure you try to do it carefully. This is the bottom point, isn't it? This one here is the minimum. So I'm going to plot it smoothly like that, all one way. Now, in this case, my curve, I didn't hit my point. So what you would do is, now you will have graph paper. So when you draw your curve, it'll come up nicely. If I had done this, okay, that is absolutely wrong. So what I would rather do is, I would draw my line like this, make it curved as best you can. If it doesn't quite fit, erase this little point here and move it across a little bit so it's, it's correct. The most important thing is to get it to be curved nicely, all right? So a nice curve. And that's how you plot a quadratic point. And it's x squared minus 1 in that case. Okay.